Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, the Crypto Channel. Today, in this video, we're going to look into the recent update of the predominant crypto Ankr. Will it gain 600% more? Let's explore a lot of things about Ankr. What is Ankr? Before jumping into the meat of the video, first-time listeners should know some fundamental details about the token Ankr. The emergence of the token Ankr dates back to the month of November of 2017. The token originated as a solution that makes use of shared resources in order to provide effortless and inexpensive blockchain node hosting solutions. After entering into the market, Ankr has built its own marketplace for container-based cloud services via the usage of shared resources. When compared to the public cloud providers, all these features of Ankr provides its developers and enterprise clients with the ability to seamlessly deploy blockchain nodes at an easily affordable price. By hosting blockchain nodes on Ankr, everyone can be sure that it takes away any centralization issues and single points of failure. Moreover, most of the public blockchains have the ability to engage in communities and offer further assistance to their networks. The team of Ankr cryptocurrency is trying their level best to build an infrastructure platform and marketplace for Web3 stack deployment in order to empower and enable all the resource providers, as well as end users, to connect to the blockchain technologies and DeFi applications. Before investing in Ankr crypto, know that compared to the public cloud providers, the Ankr proprietary cloud infrastructure operates independently. And one should also know that it's completely powered through geographically distributed data centers to increase its stability and resilience levels. Here's a bit of history about the Ankr cryptocurrency. The project of Ankr was first found in the year 2017 at the University of Berkeley in California. The team of founders of Ankr and its headquarters are still in San Francisco. The team will not be complete without the hardworking engineers, who previously worked in some leading MNCs such as the Amazon, Oracle, Goldman Sachs. The team also consists of individuals who have experience of working on or participating in other cryptocurrency projects such as Ethereum and EOS programmers. And now, in August 2021, the core team has been dispersed to different parts of the world, who are currently operating from offices located in places such as Shanghai, Moscow, Southeast Asia, India, Amsterdam, as well as in Bucharest. The team of the Ankr network announced the ICO, initial coin offerings, on the 16th of September in 2018, which prolonged successfully for 2 solid weeks until the 30th of September 2018. The team of Ankr was able to raise the entire planned amount of nearly $18.7 million as a result of the wide sale of Ankr tokens. And when we look into the process of development of the Ankr network, one can see the constant development of the project of Ankr tokens. The nearest plans of the Ankr network include the successful introduction and launch of the STKR protocol. STKR is a governance protocol run. This stands as a platform that tries to combine both traditional betting methods, micropools, decentralized management, and as well as unsupervised betting methods. The plans of the Ankr network include plans to launch the Ethereum 2.0 node services, which aims to integrate the main protocols in blockchain and work more on the security features carefully. Ankr, technical analysis. As per the Ankr paired with the USDT, Tether, and their weekly chart, it's said that the 5th wave will result in a 600% increase from the current position of Ankr. This would be quite a significant gain that takes us to some value in between 77 cents and $1. While so many cryptos are now only entering into this market, we have Ankr substantially pushed up in terms of its stochastic relative strength index. Are you thinking about why we should think of all these things? Here's the answer for you. This is really important because we've come across resistance that we just have not been able to break for a long time. As of 29th of August 2021, the current rate of Ankr is 11 cents. The price of Ankr has significantly decreased by 0.56% in the last 24 hours, and the 24-hour volume of the Ankr crypto was actually $104,828,929.14. The price of Ankr crypto has not fluctuated in the last 24 hours and has been around the 11 cent mark only. The highest Ankr price remained at the same value of 11 cents in the last 7 days, that is, from 21st of August to 28th of August, and its lowest price was 10 cents. Ankr had its exchange rate increased by 35.75% in the last 7 days. The current rank of Ankr crypto is 272 in terms of capitalization. When we look into the total number of tokens that the Ankr crypto currently has in circulation, the value sums up to nearly 10 billion in total, among which nearly 2 billion Ankr tokens are currently in circulation in the market. On the 10th of August 2020, the ATH of the project took place successfully, and it amounted to nearly $0.0179. Moving on to the daily turnover of Ankr, it was almost $9 million. When we look deeper into these exchanges, we come to know that Ankr has been listed on 15 exchanges. 30% of the Ankr's turnover is from Upbit, and the same turnover is also on other cryptos such as BINANCE and BITLINKA. One can easily purchase this well-known crypto. Ankr platforms on HUOBI and BITMAX in addition to the previously said exchanges. But before purchasing it, one should know that the turnover on these exchanges will be below 1%. Ankr Wallet. Are you thinking about how and where to store the Ankr cryptos? Here is the Ankr Wallet for you to store the tokens safely for future use. One of the impressive features of the Ankr crypto is that the Ankr tokens can be stored on the vast majority of famous wallets. Thus, you can choose one from platforms and wallets such as Trust Wallet or MYETHERWALLET. In addition to all these choices, you can also store the Ankr tokens on the Atomic Wallet. Moving on to choices provided for the hardware wallets, one can store the Ankr tokens in both the Ledger and Trezor, as they enable Algorand storage on your devices. To the newcomers, here's a brief about Algorand. It's nothing but an open-source protocol that's known to use blockchain technology and the PPOS algorithm, pure proof of stake. When we look into the difference between the POS and the PPOS algorithms, we come to know that the PPOS algorithm does not require nodes in order to block the funds of the investors for a predetermined period of time. In the Algorand network, the investors and users are provided with 2 time nodes. One is the relay, whose primary task is to communicate routing in between the non-relay nodes, and the other is the participatory nodes, which connect to the relay nodes and help to participate in the proof-of-stake consensus. From all these pieces of information, we can confidently say yes to the question, will Ankr tokens have 600% more gains? Coming to the end of today's video, we hope that you got enough info about the recent updates of Ankr tokens and also believe that you're satisfied with our efforts. If you agree with us, like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, the Crypto Channel, and tap on the bell icon to always stay updated with our posts. Stay awesome. Until next time.